Hi, in this video we will see how we can use expect scripting for doing a SSH from server 1 to server 2. So in the left hand side we can see this server 1 and in the right hand side we can see server 2. So here what I will do is from server 1 we will try to do a remote SSH login and run a command from server 1 and get the output of the command in server 1. So here here in the right hand side in server 2 we can see df-h command I have executed. So this is the file system space left in the system. So I want this information to be got in server 1 itself. So for that we use expect scripting. Expect is used for doing automation. So basically the file extension is .sh, or we can just keep the file extension without any giving any extension to the file. So I have written a script for this. So here you can see basically this first line user bin expect -f is what the expect script starts with. So when you run this script, if this is not installed, then if the binary is not installed, then it will throw an error. So first you have to give yum install expect to install these binaries. This will be coming with TCL binaries dependencies. So here we use exec command, execute command, to run any Unix command from this script. So what this is doing is df-h, it is getting the output of the df-h command to get the space on the server from the local server, and then it will try to log in into the different host. In this host it will try to log in doing SSH spawn SSH and run the df-h command in the other server, that is server 2. So here it asks for the user prompt password. So we are not typing any password here, it will automatically send the password to the prompt and then it will log in and get the output of the df-h command of the server 2, which is shown in the right hand side. So we will try to run this now. So you can see output of the command df-h from server 1 is this one. So this is the local output, and SSH output of the command df-h from server 2. So you can see this and this are matching. So this and this are matching now. So that means the command has run on the server 2 using SSH without asking for the password. It has directly logged into the server and got the output from the server. So this is how we can use the expect command to do an SSH and run a remote Unix command. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you very much.